Meet Google's Gemini, the AI that feels like chatting with a friend who truly understands you. Let's dive into his journey from Bard to a groundbreaking force in tech. In this video, we will explore where Gemini came from, what unique concepts and attributes it introduced, what obstacles Gemini had to face, and what awaits in Gemini's future. To better understand that, please read how Gemini is setting a whole new bar in the AI world. What is Gemini? Initially referred to as Bard, Gemini is Google's big attempt at AI chatbots as rivals such as OpenAI emerge. But it has more than the simple application of being a chatbot. Imagine an ecosystem of devices that adapts to this behavior, easily handles the questions, and suits the technical environment. It is made to be conversational, human-like, and is created to improve as time goes on the way we engage AI. The origins of Gemini. Google's journey to create Gemini started with a simple yet powerful question. What applications do AI hold for our society? Starting in 2021, they did so with LaMDA, a model intended to help make machine conversations seem more natural. However, Google provided a private preview of the technology as they do not want to risk ethical or technical issues to arise from fully releasing the technology to the public. Then came 2022. When OpenAI introduced the ChatGPT into the market, a sudden change was observed all over the tech industry. Google's answer was a code red and stepped up its own development of AI through Gemini. That even companies like Google's founders have had to return to the scene to strategize. The launch of Bard and the transition to Gemini. It was in February this year that Google unveiled Bard, which is Gemini's first form. After that, it was launched and the testing started. As Bard extended its signal across the world, Google faced quite a few headaches. Public demonstrations, technical troubles, and ethically debatable incidents. One of the largest was an error in facts during a demo that briefly caused a shake in Google's stock. However, Google remained loyal to this challenge and continued to improve Bard based on these challenges encountered. Then, in December 2023, they rebranded it to what is now called Gemini to signify a leap forward in search. This rebranding involved new versions, Gemini Pro and Gemini Ultra, with enhanced image generation. It became more than just an enhanced chatbot. It is a generative multimodal AI capable of understanding text, images, and finally, video. Overcoming challenges in Gemini's development. There was much struggle in traveling predicaments to reach Gemini. Google encountered profound problems ranging from natural language understanding to keeping data privacy intact. Constructing this sort of model was a computationally intense affair, and other challenges like bias and misinformation were present too. To this end, Google presented Google Extended, which would enable users to regulate the engagements of their data with Gemini. Key milestones in Gemini's evolution. Research breakthroughs. Advances in natural language processing and AI ethics were crucial to Gemini's development. Public testing and feedback. Testing with real users helped refine Gemini's accuracy and usability. Global expansion. By mid-2023, Gemini reached over 180 countries, making its impact truly global. So, what's next for Gemini? Things that Google hopes to incorporate into Gemini in the future are even more flexible, such as multi-language support, greater flexibility, and tight integration with other Google products. The next phase of Gemini is poised to revolutionize work, search, and interactions with technology around the globe. And that's Google's Gemini, just the beginning of tech's future. If you want more deep dives into game-changing innovations, hit subscribe to Bytes Back in Time and stay ahead with us.